It is a promise. Trust me.
Who are you? Who are you to her?
Good day, guys. I actually have the update on when the release date is going to actually be. Can you watch the video to the end to know when it's going to drop? Before then, let's actually take a deep dive on what's currently happening. So AC is actually, following Ozoma, and his friend doesn't actually like it because he doesn't like the fact that she happens to actually be the orange girl, and the princess still wants to actually have AC to herself. And on the other hand, it's actually the prince that's actually in love with this lady that seems to in love with another dude that seems to just have one or two problems here and there, and she always keep coming through for him, and I love it for her though, and both of them. But hopefully the guy is actually loving her back. And when it comes to the season 5 and 6, to be out on Tuesday.